Hello, welcome back to Deconstructing with Dawn, Berlin, and Peter. I'm not quite sure why I just did that, but Peter is always above my shoulder, and Berlin has been stuck to me like Velcro for about 2 days now. I'm not feeling well, and he knows that, and that's what the job of a service dog is to protect their patient, and he is a lovely dog. Anyhow, so my Ipsy bag came in the mail today, and as per usual when it comes to the summer months, this comes detached. So I hope everything is in here. It is really detached. What happens, I think, is the gummy adhesive gets moist, or not moist, but like loosens up, and then the bag's open. So hopefully it's all in here. I checked my Ipsy bag to see what I was going to be getting just now, so I would make sure that everything is in here. It looks like the bag and something outside the bag. So, okay, so this is a theme for May 2018, like a travel theme, which is perfect. I have never used any of my bags. That's not true. One time I did like a 10-day makeup kind of thing, and I used some of the bags just to store that day's makeup in, but I've never actually used them. But this is kind of cute. I might actually use this one. It's travel. It's kind of a strange color. I wouldn't normally attribute this to being a travel color. I'm going to sneeze. But it's cute. It says Paris-Vallon, which is Parisian, and New York, Jamaica, that kind of thing. This actually, I probably will use this. My luggage is all travel, but in a bright color. It's not this kind of color, but like primary color. So I might actually take this to Ireland. I might actually use this. So this will be the first time that any of my bags get used. Well, the first thing here, I guess I should share, is a really kind of ombre brush with some little diamond things there, if you could see that. It is by SL I don't know. Shumlissy Glam? I don't know, I cannot read it. It's an eyeshadow brush, obviously. Start off with this. This is a Go There Ipsy 2018. We're writing you from a cafe in Paris. Roxette is munching on crepes. Lynette is snapping pics, and we're all soaking in this beautiful day. Anyway, so that's that. See this. Oh, okay. This is a Tarte Smooth Operator Amazonian Clay Finishing Powder, which right now I am using the Honest finishing powder that we got from the Target box, I think in March. Yeah. And I'm actually kind of liking it. That's kind of different. There's this one little plug right here. Okay. There it is, just a regular, probably a translucent powder. Ooh, golly, that is smooth. I'm having to use a lot of powder and stuff on my nose. I just completely digressing as I usually do. I've been losing makeup on my face. It doesn't stay on my nose. I'm sorry, on my nose. And how that is really smooth. And so I went and like Googled or whatever, YouTubed how to, that did not help, how to keep makeup on your nose. And I came across a Wayne Goss video, which I like him. And he does this. You put primer only on the nose or wherever you might need it, but you put a pore reducing primer on your nose, then you do a translucent powder, then you put eyeshadow primer on your nose, and then powder again, and then foundation to your whole face, and then powder again. So I've done that about 3 or 4 days now, and I can't tell you that it's working. I mean, you can see right there that it's off my nose. Now, obviously it's my fault that it's coming off my nose because I have a sinus infection, so I'm sneezing constantly and having to try very carefully to blow my nose, but I digress. Here we go again. I just blah, blah, blah. All right, so what else? Arch Arrival Brow Definer in Taupe Tom by Sugar. Brow, what? Oh, eyebrow. I don't like this kind of stuff though. Okay, so it's an eyebrow pencil, probably with a spoolie on one end, I would guess, and then like the pencil on the other side. I use powder, so I'm not probably going to open this, but whatever. Taupe Tom, I'm sure it would have been a perfect match for me. Pop goes the Shadow in Goldie by Elizabeth Mott. I have quite a few of these things by Elizabeth Mott. I can't remember if I like them or not, but no, that's kind of a pretty color. That definitely looks like it would be okay on me. I already have makeup on, but why not? Oh, wow. It's really creamy. What is on my face? Okay, well, it's very creamy. It's a pretty color. I wouldn't normally put dark down there, but yeah, I like it. It's really creamy. It's really pretty gold color. Can you put it over the, I don't know, that's probably not a good place to put it because it has that powder on it. So let's try over here. Yeah, it's really pretty. It's in Goldie. So that's that. There's 2 more things in here. NYX. So, I think I already got this, didn't I? I'm not sure what this. It's in London. Oh, that's nice. I think I got something like this last month, but maybe a more pinkish color. But it's a NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and I thought it was kind of a gloss kind of thing. But after I turned the camera off, my lips were dry and it was matte. So it's definitely a mattifying kind of thing. So. It has that standard NYX smell. All NYX things smell the same to me. So, is there something wrong here? Okay, anyway, I've got that powder stuff everywhere. Okay, so NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. Not hating it. I almost said I couldn't see, and I just realized my glasses are on top of my head. Was that it? That's it. That's all of it. Okay, so the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in London, which I love London because I have a cat named London, who's not featured in the video because I don't know where he went. And then this Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer. Again, and you know how I love brushes, but I'll never open this. I'm sorry, I have no idea what that says, but it's a pretty brush. It's just an eyeshadow brush, really ombre, like it. The Elizabeth Mott eyeshadow, I really like that. And I think I'm really gonna dig this Tarte Amazonian Clay Smooth Operator Finishing Powder. So that is my Ipsy bag for May 2018. What did you guys get? Just in case you don't know what Ipsy is, I'm sure if you're watching this, you probably already know what Ipsy is. It's a $10 subscription monthly makeup bag. Basically, you put in your likes and dislikes of makeup, what kind of hair color you have, what kind of skin type, if you're into hair or makeup products, if you like just makeup only, whatever. You get to put in your kind of likes and dislikes, and they try to tailor a bag to your likes. And this is what I got. I'm not hating it. Not normally. I would say I'm probably up to 50-50 now of liking the stuff I get and not. There's not anything wrong with a brow pencil. I haven't ever said I didn't want it, but you know, that's probably the only thing I don't like in the bag is the brow pencil. And that's not because of their fault whatsoever. So I kind of like this bag. I would say 4 out of 5 stars. Bonus for the bag being cute. I like that as well. I probably actually use this bag, which is surprising. And I think that is it. Thank you guys for watching. And I have one more video to do with a Target beauty box that came in the mail today as well. Thank you guys so much. Bye-bye.